In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Cloud in Hostinger. If you want to move to a cloud hosting plan and you're not sure where to find the available options, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and look over to the sidebar menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation area for your hosting dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Websites. This section brings you to the area where you can manage your sites and also review hosting-related options connected to them. Once you're in the Websites section, look for the Available Plans area. This is where Hostinger shows the hosting plans you can currently view or switch to, depending on your account and setup. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct section before continuing, because this is where the Cloud Plan options will appear. Next, switch from the current plan view to the Cloud Plans tab or option. After selecting Cloud Plans, you'll be able to see the different cloud hosting plans available. These plans may vary based on features, performance, or resource limits, so it's a good idea to look through them carefully before making your choice. Even if the layout looks slightly different on your screen, the key thing is to find the section that displays the cloud options. When you see the list of cloud plans, choose the one that best fits your needs and click on it. This will open the subscription or checkout flow for that specific plan. If you're unsure which one to pick, just focus on the plan that matches the level of performance or capacity you expect to need. After that, you'll be asked to choose the duration of your subscription. This usually means selecting how long you want to subscribe for, such as a shorter or longer billing period. Be sure to review the duration carefully, since pricing can change depending on the term you select. Then choose your preferred payment method. Pick the option that works best for you and continue through the payment screen. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to quickly review the plan and subscription length to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. Once the payment is completed, your cloud subscription will be set up. That's how to subscribe to Cloud in Hostinger.